Hey everyone. So today I want to talk about how to get your dog to stay and wait for a treat. Now I have two dogs. This is my wife's dog, Prince, and I have Jack, which I'll bring out in a little bit. Now Prince has been learning this. He's pretty good, but I'm going to teach you how I taught him to stay. Jack I taught years and years ago. So I got a little bag of meat here, and if I just throw this down, he's going to go for it, right? That's just going to happen. Even if I put it right next to me, he's just going to go for it. So what you want to do, as long as your dog can sit, hopefully they know sit already, Prince sit and stay in the bed. So what you want to do is sit kind of close to them, but a little bit of distance, and put a piece of meat, treat, something that they really want right in front of you. Now he's going to think about it, but he already knows, since I've already kind of taught him not to do it, to stay there. So you want to keep the treat near you. You don't want to get it too close to them to begin with, because as you can see, he's starting to go for it. Keep it near you. Anytime they advance, pick it up, keep it in your hand. This is mine. Sit, then make him go sit down. Prince, sit. Over here, sit. He might go crazy for a minute, that's okay. Well, he saw my bag of treats over here. Get in your bed. Get in your bed. I know you're crazy. You cannot give them a treat while they're going crazy. Now, if they're going crazy and they're not listening, the next thing you can do is say, come here. And you can physically put them, stay. Physically put them back. Anytime they advance towards the food, pick it up and kind of go forward towards it and let them know that it is yours. It is not theirs. And now I haven't given him a command yet, but he's going to learn. Now we're going to say, Prince, stay. Stay. Keep it near you. Stay. If he comes towards you, you can put your hand up. You're not going to, do anything, smack him or anything like that. You're just going to keep him away. And if they keep coming, just grab it and just hold it near you. This is mine. Prince, stay. And then every time they advance, you grab it and you take it as your own. And this is mine now, it's not yours. Now, sit, stay. Now, he knows this, as I said, so he already, is advanced in this. But if he moved his feet or nose forward at all, I would snatch it and I would just say, no, go sit down. And then every time that he came closer, I would do the same thing. And when he sits there calmly, eventually I'll give him a go word, a release word to let him have it. So stay, no. If he comes at it at all, I'll take it. But if he sits there for a good second, I'll say, okay. Sit, or go to your bed. No. Okay, you sat. That's good. You're not in your bed, but you sat. Now stay. No. Stay. Every time he does a good, you can get a little closer. Stay. But if he tries to get it, you can correct him. So let me see if he tries to get it. It's very close to him. But I didn't give him the release word. No. So you put your hand in front. That's mine still. No. Okay. And then you keep doing that. Never let them have it if they're not doing the right thing. Let me get my other dog out to show you a little bit of a comparison between a dog that really knows this and a dog that's still learning it. Jack, sit. No, that's your bed. Don't take his bed. Sit, stay. Now Jack is really good at this. Sit. Stay. Jack won't touch that no matter what I do. Prince might try to steal it. But Prince, bed. Bed. Alright, well, let's forget about the bed. Let's just have you sit. Sit. Stay. Jack, that's not yours. You got yours over here, but you dropped it. That's right. Sit. Stay. No. So Prince is going to kind of think about it. See, he's looking at it. I didn't say okay. So anytime he tries to go for it, just tell him it's yours. I can put it as close as I want. He should not go for it. No. No. Sit. You sat. That's good. Okay. Jack, okay. Okay, Jack. Jack, sit. Stay. Prince, sit. Stay. And that's good. He's looking at me, waiting for the command to go, and he's waiting. Let me see. Now, he's going to steal it. Jack, stay. Prince, stay. Prince is most likely going to steal it, but maybe not. Let's give him a chance to see how they do. Ooh, you were trying to. You were trying to, so you got to watch him anytime. You got to just block it. I'm going to walk out the room so you guys can see this, but I'm sure he's going to take it. He needs a little more practice, but Jack's not going to touch stuff. You better not steal Jack's food either. Jack, if he comes near yours, get it real quick, okay? No, I didn't say the O to the K word, okay? I did not say that yet. Wait. You. See, I knew you were going to do that. Now with Jack, I can leave the house. I can go outside. He will not touch it until I tell him to. But you might try to steal his. Sit, sit, stay. So anytime he makes an advance at that food, you want to stop him from doing that. Okay, Jack. Jack, okay. Not you, Prince. I did say okay, so I'll let you have it because you don't understand Jack and Prince. Sit. Now Jack knows sign language too. This just means stay for him. Yep. Prince, sit. Stay. So with him here, you just gotta sit here and you just gotta do it for a while. He's gonna try over time more and more to try to get that. But you just gotta not let him just by covering it and making it yours. So he's even going in with my hand there, and if he tries to go too much, you just take it. This is mine. Sit. Sit. Stay. Oh, that wasn't good, but you saw him going for it. That's like the first time you've ever done that. Check. Sit. Stay. No. No. Sit. Stay. No. So a good thing to do just while you're watching TV or a movie or something, just sit next to them. And then if he tries to go for it, just stop him. And if he gets too close, you can take it and show him that it's yours just by picking it up. And that this is mine. This isn't yours until I tell you. Sit. Stay, everybody. But Prince likes to try to sneak it. I know you can look at me like you want the food all you want. But you've had a ton of treats. You got to just wait till I say you can have it. Now, again, I can go outside. I can leave my house and Jack will just sit there until I come back in and tell him the word, which is the O word. Prince is doing pretty good right now, but I guarantee in a second he'll try to take it. Maybe when I'm not looking at him. Don't look at his treat, man. You got your own over there. You know that. And that's all you got to do. Just continually do it over and over. Don't give it to them when they don't do the right thing. And if they do steal it, don't get too mad about it. Just re-go. See, like he got close there. If I had missed it and he had got it, no big deal. You just go again. He really wants it, but he's had a ton of food and snacks today. Kind of pretend like you're not thinking about them, not looking at them, and just kind of see what they do. As you can see, they're both just waiting. He's going to keep trying. Okay. Sit. So you basically just got to keep doing it as long as they know sit, kind of. Even if they don't know sit, just try to, just keep them back. Just hold your hand. Prince. Sit. Stay. And anytime if he goes for it, you just snatch it again. It's mine. It's not yours yet. He's thinking about it. And that's basically how I taught them. I'm trying to get him to think about it again. He's doing pretty good, but he's looking. And maybe he just hears me talking, so he's like, oh, maybe not. And the more you do this, the more they'll learn. You just keep taking it if they try to get it. It's your food until they try to get it. But they're doing pretty good right now, so